Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be opening this Rocket League mini Zag toy car thing. I've had it for a while, just haven't had the chance to open it. And yeah, if you can see, there are all the cars, if it focuses. If not, I'll show you some clips right now. But yeah, this is basically a pullback toy. But yeah, from one of my favorite games, Rocket League. So to open this, I need a knife. So let me go grab one real quick. So let me I gotta just cut this. My mic is in the way. Yes, we have cut through. There we go. I don't even see it that well. There we go. As you see, wrapping just comes straight off. Let me see what it says here. It just shows all the cars. And this book contains one mini pullback racer, and certain cars contain an exclusive DLC code. For what wheels are these? ZT17 wheels and Cold Fusion Boost. I probably should have done an unboxing of these ages ago. But guys, let me just open it right now. I'm gonna move my mic. Look, you gonna see it with me? Let's open it together. Hello? Hello? Hey, there we go. I just gotta pop it open. Ta-da! I have opened the ball. That is the ball. If you put it back together, it looks just like the Rocket League ball. You just gotta have it set position. There we go. Oh, it's rolling off my desk. And here we have the car. Beautiful, isn't it? I wonder which car we're gonna get. Right. Once again, I think I need my knife, or can I just open it here? Let me just rip it open. Right, guys, are you ready? Can't pull this open. This isn't opening. Time to bring back the knife. I won't look, guys. I promise I won't look first. Just gotta slice in. Do I have an opening? I don't know. Don't know. Aha! We have an opening. Rip it open, guys. You are gonna have the first look. I'm gonna pull this out first. What is it? There's a little manual here. There we go. It's just like health and safety instructions. Let me get the actual car open on here. Oh, we got a special one. No way. Breakout Type S. No way. There we go. Breakout Type S in its beautiful silver color. Is there anything else in the bag? Nope, there is not. I was kind of hoping to get, let me see here. I was kind of hoping to get the Dominus or the Octane, because those are the cars I really use. But yeah, that's pretty cool as well. So now, oh, this thing contains the code. This little leaflet thing. This contains the code. I'm not gonna show the code, but the code is right under my finger. I'm gonna show you guys right now how to actually put it in game, if you're wondering. So let's go. So what you want to do to redeem the code is come over to Rocket League, go over to the main menu, then you come down to extras, click it, then click redeem code, and as you can see, here is the place where you enter it. So you grab your leaflet and you get the code. I might blur this in case you can only use it once, or if you can use it more than once. So once you've typed in your code, your wheels should and your boost should go straight into your inventory. Here's the moment of truth. I have the Cold Fusion Limited Rocket Boost and the ZT-17 wheels. Let me just go put them on. Let me find them in the inventory first. Cold Fusion. Here it is, in all of its glory. Where the ZT-17. So let me just put them on my car. Cold Fusion. It doesn't look the greatest, if I'm being honest. Kind of looks like water mixed with fire, kind of. Like the heat, but it kind of looks like water. Now let's find the ZT-17 all the way at the bottom next to my zombies. There we go. They certainly don't look the best either. They really need to up the game with these things, maybe for the second season of these things. Let me just get them in game. I would normally play with a controller, but going with keyboard and mouse this time. So for some reason, I don't know if it's because I'm playing with keyboard and mouse, but it feels like my car is way faster. So you can see those are the wheels and this is the boost. The boost is alright, but I really dislike the wheels. They're just too plain. In my opinion, you may like them, you may even love them. But yeah guys, that just about wraps it up for this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like down below. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya!